Welcome back to the Nightcap. Tonight we'll be making a gold rush. So go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, get it out to your friends, because I'm sure they also want to make a better than average drink in less than average time. So we're going to make this one in the shaker. The gold rush is going to be a pretty simple drink. It's going to be 3/4 an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Pour that in there. And we're going to go ahead and measure out 3/4 an ounce of honey simple syrup. Again, that's 2 parts honey, 1 part water, a little bit of sugar over on the stove. We're gonna pour that in there, gonna give some nice sweet honey flavor. Here's the big tip of the day. And if you want the big tip, this is it. It's gonna be the I.W. Harper 15. What I'm telling you, the big tip isn't necessarily just the I.W. Harper, it's just get a bourbon that has a larger corn content. It'll be sweeter. It'll just taste better in this particular cocktail. You don't want a rye or anything with a low corn content. So we're going to do 1.5 ounces of the I.W. Harper bourbon. And pour it in. Put that back on top. And then we're just going to give this a shake. Give that a shake here. Okay. We'll pour it on top of our nightcap glass. Look at that gold just rushing in down there. Just like that. And then we're going to do a couple things, a little extra special. 1, lemon wheel. 2, we're going to sprinkle some bourbon smoked sugar on there for some extra flavor, extra golden nugget on top of that gold rush. And there you have it. She's a Buclark. Cheers.